Hey guys, Michelle is here. So I just wanted to make a review for a course I just finished by Matt Parr. It's called Tube Mastery. I honestly have to tell you that I always had troubles with online courses because there is no obligation. So to sit yourself down and really learn, it's really hard. Some people, I can't even listen to them after a while. What I loved about Matt's course, that first of all, he built it up as modules and each video runs between 7 to 15 minutes long, which is super easy to follow. I would just, finish one module after another and just jump from one to another. And it's the amount of information that I got out of this course, it's priceless. Seriously, I paid back then, it was like in the quarantine time, maybe $600 for this course. And I tell you the truth, it's worth way more money. I mean, Matt built everything just step by step. It's super easy to follow, even for someone like me that had no idea about YouTube, had no idea about how to even start, which kind of channels there is out there, what kind of channels make the most money out of YouTube. It just gave me so much perspective, and now I know exactly where to start. So I totally recommend this course. Even if it's gonna cost you $5,000 in the future, it's gonna give you so much information that you would need. And I would just want to thank you, Matt, for everything you've done. Thank you for the Facebook group. There is a bunch of people that there is just helping you with any question you have. So this is another thing that I love about this course. There is a big community, a lot of people helping you guys out there. So go check this out. Go check his YouTube channel. It has a bunch of information and definitely recommend you to do this course. Thank you, Matt.